What if I told you the comfort of your home is quietly harboring silent threats? That innocent puff of air freshener, the lotion you rub on every day, the non-stick pan you cook dinner in. They might be releasing chemicals that are slowly invading your body right now. This isn't fear-mongering. This is reality. Welcome to the chemical soup we all live in. Every modern home is a cocktail of thousands of synthetic chemicals. We call it indoor air, but scientists call it a chemical soup. Cleaning sprays, furniture, carpets, cosmetics, plastics, paints, candles, even your kids' toys, all release tiny amounts of volatile compounds into the air you breathe. These chemicals don't stay separate. They mix, react, and accumulate. Your body absorbs them through lungs, skin, even food. The average person is exposed to hundreds of these chemicals every single day. And here's the scale that should shock you. Every year, thousands of new chemicals are introduced into consumer products. Most of them have very limited long-term safety testing. We're the real test subjects, and the results are only now starting to show. Let's start with the most insidious invaders, endocrine disruptors. These chemicals mimic, block, or interfere with your hormones, the messengers that control almost everything in your body. Two of the biggest culprits, phthalates and parabens. You'll find phthalates in air fresheners, scented candles, soft plastic food containers, shampoos, lotions, perfumes. Parabens are in almost every personal care product, moisturizers, deodorants, makeup. Why do they matter? They look like estrogen to your body. They can trick cells into behaving as if there's too much hormone or not enough. Studies link them to lower sperm count and infertility in men, early puberty in girls, thyroid problems, increased risk of obesity and diabetes, even changes in brain development in children. Here's how personal this gets. That plug-in air freshener in your bedroom, it can release phthalates for weeks. The lotion you put on after showering, parabens absorb straight through your skin. The plastic container you heat leftovers in, phthalates leach into your food when warmed. You're not just exposed once, you're exposed every day from multiple sources. That's the soup. Now let's talk about what you spray under the sink. Ammonia, glycol ethers, ethanol, these are common in window cleaners, multi-surface sprays, oven degreasers, carpet cleaners. They're neurotoxins. Short-term, headaches, dizziness, burning eyes, sore throat. Many people feel it but blame it on allergies or a bad day. Long-term, repeated exposure is linked to memory problems, reduced cognitive function, and even increased risk of neurological disorders. Here's a quick visual test you can do right now. Grab any cleaning spray in your house. Look at the ingredients. If you see ammonia, ethanol, ethylene glycol, or anything ending in ether, that's a neurotoxin. You inhale it every time you spray. Your skin absorbs it when you wipe. And kids crawling on floors, they're getting a much higher dose. We clean to protect our families, but we might be poisoning them slowly. Now, the forever chemicals, PFAS, and per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances, and flame retardants. PFAS are in non-stick cookware, stain-resistant carpets and furniture, waterproof clothing, food packaging, fast food wrappers, microwave popcorn bags. They're called forever chemicals because they never break down in the environment or in your body. They build up over years. Studies now link them to kidney and testicular cancer, immune system suppression, thyroid disease, developmental delays in children. Flame retardants, PBDEs, organophosphates, are sprayed on furniture, mattresses, electronics to meet outdated fire safety standards. They leach into house dust. Children ingest 5 to 10 times more dust than adults, meaning higher doses. You vacuum, dust, sweep, and you're recirculating these carcinogens into the air you breathe. Here's the good news. You are not powerless. Small changes add up and they make a real difference. Start here. Ditch synthetic fragrances. Switch to unscented or essential oil diffusers. Use simple DIY cleaners. Vinegar plus water for glass. Baking soda plus Castile soap for surfaces. Choose non-toxic cookware, stainless steel, cast iron, ceramic. Air out new furniture and carpets, or look for Green Guard Gold certified items. Read labels like a detective. Avoid fragrance, parfum, parabens, butoxyethanol, PFAS. You don't have to do everything at once. One swap this week, another next month. Over time, you reduce your family's chemical load dramatically. Your home should be a sanctuary, not a slow exposure lamp. Knowledge is power. You now know what's hiding in plain sight. Take back control, one choice at a time.